In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable DNS over HTTPS, DoH, in Microsoft Edge for improved privacy and security. Launch the Microsoft Edge Chromium browser on your computer. Copy and paste the following into the address bar: Edge, DoH settings, privacy, hit Enter on your keyboard to navigate to the Privacy, Search, and Services settings. Scroll down to the Security section. Look for the Secure DNS option. Toggle the Secure DNS switch to enable or disable DNS over HTTPS. If enabling, choose to use the current service provider or specify a custom provider like Google or Cloudflare. If required, restart the Edge browser to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.